culture, right?
Yeah. Do you know how it was an assignment?
Yeah. What was your name again?
Maddie.
Oh, I'm Kayla.
Okay, okay.
Cool, yeah. I'm like really struggling with the assignment.
Really? I can help you with that.
That would be awesome.
I think I'm free on Mondays.
Yeah, Mondays are probably best for me too.
10 a.m.
Yeah, actually I've got like an hour before my lecture.
Alright, awesome. I'll see you.
Okay, cool.